Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and we're going to have a little follow-up. People like me to talk about, how things are going with the updates. So yesterday, of course, Patch Tuesday. For some of you, was on Wednesday. Depends where you live around the world. So Patch Tuesday is upon us. It was yesterday, July 14th, 2020. Huge Patch Tuesday once again, with a lot of security fixes that are to really make sure that you update, because so many important holes, including several critical security vulnerabilities that are in Windows 8.1, Windows 10, different versions of Windows 10. So this is important to apply once again. Yesterday it was available. A few people mentioned that they were not seeing updates, and they should, because usually they're pretty much available everywhere. So make sure that your versions are okay on on the updates, because it's important to know if you are going to, or if you have the latest updates. So once again, the background noise that I see, I call it the background noise, because it's a mix of the people complaining that they have problems. Interesting, two categories of people. One category like me, that it took a long time for the installs to actually go through for the Windows updates. But a category of people that actually had the updates go pretty quickly too. So it's kind of interesting to see that, it depends on the speed of your PC. Do you have an SSD drive or not? And there's so much that make updates, at different speeds for everybody. Also, where you actually calculate. I suspect one of the updates, one of the reasons why the updates were so long on mine is, I think when I clicked the restart button, it still hadn't finished to install one of the two updates, so it had to complete that before restarting and doing what it needs to do to restart. But anyways, it went well, and that's the important thing. For the majority, once again, for now, because we are all think about last week and what happened last week, last month, and what happened with a couple of things that broke. I wanted to mention, because a lot of people are mentioning, well, there's no bug fix for the SSD drive optimization and stuff. That will come next week, because next week is the bug fixing updates. This week was really just an update for security. So next week, in a week from now, Tuesday, July 21st, will be the bug fixing updates. And I would guess that maybe in there the problem with the optimizing of drives, of SSD drives, will be fixed, for those that wonder. Remember the version numbers, because a lot of you are giving out and comments version numbers you have, and a lot of you are not at the latest updates. It's very important to note. If you're on the May 2020 update, you should be, if you look at your WinVer command, and you should be at 19041.388. If you are on 1903 or 1909, you should be at 18362 or 18363.959. If you're not at 959, you're not at the latest updates. You're missing updates. So 959 is where we are at. I've seen a couple of you saying, well, I'm at .900. Nope, you're missing updates. 959 is where you should be. So make sure that you check for Windows updates again, so that they actually apply to your PC. And one last little comment concerning printer problems from last month. These have been fixed a long time ago. If you're waiting for a fix that is not automatic, you got to watch the video that I posted with the links to the different fixes, depending on the version of Windows that you're using. It's not an automatic update. It's a manual download for the fix of the printer problem from last month. But that has been fixed a few weeks ago. So the updates seem to be rolling out well. If any problems or anything shows up, of course, I will be the first to mention it and talk about it here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.